Yeah, okay, so in parallel, can you open that sheet as well, or do you want me to ping you the URL and everything here, whichever works for you? Okay, can you send me that? What is the link for accessing the Netsuite? You have it. You do it through tenant portal, right? That, okay, you don't have. What was that? Dashboard.data cloud something. Yeah, got it. I think you're sharing only one screen, one particular tab or thing, right? So I think I pinged you the link here. It's fine. I have always pinged on Zoom chat. No, I was able to get there. So can I pitch a URL? Yeah. So put the method as get. Okay. Paste that URL which is under here, enter request URL. Yes. Send it. No, wait a minute. Okay. You have to put the token details and everything right. So, I'll paste it here. You? Yes, yeah, this is fine. Now go to OAuth 2.0 as part of authentication method. You have already selected type as OAuth 1.0, right? Sorry, yeah, 1.0. This is fine. 1.0. Sorry. And then can you just reduce this response field here from somewhere here? You can just show so that I can see more of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Correct. So I have pinged the values. So put consumer key, consumer secret access token and token secret. Those 4 values. I pinged on Zoom chat. Consumer key ending with 66. Yes. Then you have consumer secret, which is ending with a 38. Yes. Then you have token ID will go to go and access token ending with 0D3. And then you have token secret going to 779. That's right. Okay. Now select. The signature method is SHA-256. The first drop down. Signature method. No, here on the right side only. Before, consumer key. Signature method. 256. SHA-256. The second one. Second one. Not RSK. HMAC. Second from the top. Scroll down. Timestamp. Yeah. Under last field, which is real, you have to put the account ID. So let me ping you the account ID. From here. Yeah, you can paste it, but no, not in this format. Maybe wait. Company. Company. Information. Yeah, I'm sharing now. Put this one. Remove if there is an additional space. No, there's nothing. So what is? Yeah. So this is specified by the user. So here I'm in. This will authenticate the account you're trying to access to. In this case, and then we don't have a callback URL and all that is not required. Scroll up. I think that is it. And on from this, add authorization data to you. Have this, on the left side you have a drop down right. Yeah, so you put a request body head. Request body. Because you have the first one. Now let's go to the first subtab next. These are the one which are already coming. It's going to be in deployment. It is already there. Now put a key, and the key, put it as a record type. The scripted is auto-scan right. Based on the URL. Yeah, the deploy one. Deploy ID or deploy ID, the deployment ID, which is 1. I see the URL. Yeah, put the key as a record type. Let me ping you the exact name. Your. And one more key as ID. The value is ID or not. Value. I'll tell you. Let's see which record we want to open. Yeah. So let's see if we want to. This is a get method, right? So let's say, if I want to access a customer. Okay, so let's give the person. Record type is customer. I'm pinging you the value you're so on the record type, put it as customer, and ID is 8,895. Okay. So notice. Yeah, now click send. This is all good, right? Okay, yep. Yep, sending. So where would this send? To click on the? Yeah, it will try to access Netflix. Click on this response. Click on console on the left side bottom. Console, yeah. So you're getting invalid body and very login attempt. Okay, sorry. One additional thing, click go to body. This is get right. Get does not require. No, not this body. Go to parents. Yes. Atoms once again. Yeah, here add one more. Thing. Which will be not here. Not that I'm so good, I had a sorry. I'm okay. Keep, put it as a application content type. Content type. You will as soon as you select content type.